Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. You have an MS Excel table filled with data up to day 38 in various columns. Each user has a set of numbers, and we want to calculate the expected average deviation for each user. This might seem like a tricky problem, but fear not, we've got some cool Excel tricks up our sleeves to make this task a breeze. Now, let's talk about the solution to our Excel problem. The first step involves using the formula AVEDEV, if is number, C12 and 12, C12 and 12, 0. This formula first checks if a cell contains a number using is number. If it does, it includes that number in the calculation. Otherwise, it treats it as 0. The AVEDEV function then calculates the average deviation based on this filter data. It's a simple yet effective way to handle the values and get our desired result. Moving on to the next part of our solution, we take it up a notch with AVEDEV filter if this number C12 and 12, C12 and 12, 0, not is blank C2 and 12. Here, we add a filter to exclude blank cells from the calculation. By using filter and not is blank, we ensure that only non-blank cells are considered for the average deviation. This refinement helps us get a more accurate representation of the data without the interference of empty cells. Now, let's explore a more concise approach to our Excel wizardry. By employing AVEDEV N plus C12 and 12, we treat blank cells as 0, simplifying the process. Alternatively, we can exclude the blank cells altogether with AVEDEV filter N plus C12 and 12. Not is blank C12 and 12. This streamlined method achieves the same result as our previous solutions, but with a shorter and more efficient formula. Excel magic at its finest. To wrap it up, we've delved into Excel formulas like AVEDEV and clever filtering techniques to calculate expected average deviations effortlessly. With these tricks in your toolkit, spreadsheet challenges will be a piece of cake. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, stay curious and keep Excel laying.